So, ich bin jetzt im Prinzip bereit, eine Messung.
Okay, I'm more or less ready to take measurements. At the same time, I'll count the vehicles and evaluate the sound pressure recorded.
Empfangenen Schalldruckpegel auswerten. Bei gleichem akustischem Pegel.
Sounds might have the same level, but some may be more disturbing than others. People say train noise is the least disturbing, followed by street noise, then flight noise.
Der Fluglärm auf der anderen Seite, der kommt schlechter weg.
We ask people how much certain noises bother them, and this is taken into account when limits are fixed.
Befragt, wie stark seid ihr jetzt belästigt mit diesem akustischen Maß?
Here in this test room, we can introduce different types of walls, windows, air conditioning systems. We test how much the noise sent from the transmission room is dampened in the reception room by a special wall or a special construction. That's the level of the noise in the transmission room. And here's the level in the reception room. Depending on how good the test wall is, the sound received in the reception room will be quieter or louder. We work as service providers for Swiss and foreign industrial partners who test their newly developed building materials here.
Here we have an example of two rooms, one built over the top of the other, and there are many ways that the sound can get from one room to the other. So this is the upper room. You can see they're in the process of rebuilding. At the moment we have a floor and we're testing the sound that's coming through this junction here, through these two walls. The rest of the room, the pathways will be covered to prevent the sound from coming through, and then we can make a loud noise in the lower room and measure what comes through to the upper room. And by looking at how the sound passes through these junctions and the different ways that they're assembled, we can determine before we build a structure how good the sound insulation will be and whether there's something we can do to improve that.